That's one off. We got one off. Yay us. We did it. Goes up to here. Boot up. Hold on. Slow down.
You're worth worse than Granny. She's a little goofy little.
What?
They let the video games play themselves.
Get a grip.
And unlucky and lucky all in the one. You do. What'd you break? You broke something.
No. I wanted to get all up. I swear you do it.
From?
Just what?
Wash your nose. Probably see something very familiar when you watch that.
No. Alright, let go. Look here, Cheddarhead. Calm down.
Like you, slow and steady. Rolling the brakes.
Would you stop?
You.
Monster.
Alright, take. Use the monkey magic.
The monkey magic?
Yeah.
What is wrong with you?
I came from you and Mom, so you can probably guess.
Sure didn't.
Like Mom.
Right.
Yeah, you're all wacky.
Uh-huh. Whatever you say, Logan.
Hey, now, yellow.
Whatever you say.
Exactly whatever I say.
All right, Logan.
Yeah.
Go ahead. We got to turn the key on.
How'd you do that?
What a noob. Turn that one's on. Okay. This one's got to tip up just a little bit. Sweet. All right. Key off. I like it. I like it a lot.
You like it too much.
Did you say I like it too much?
Concerning.
You need to stop.
How do we do that? Well, destroy it. Oh. Now there's the screws. Need the screws.
What are you doing?
You on this side, I think?
They should be, yeah.
Is it these things?
No. Hillbilly.
This tinier one?
Yep. Grab me the Phillips that's sitting over there. All right, hit the turn signals. Sweet baby Jeebus. I like it.
Thank you.
I like it a lot. Okay. I like it a lot. Go ahead and take those bolts out. I think. Stop.
No.
While on this side,
Why is that?
you need a hush.
Ye olden mind.
Where the hell is my 14? We're both multiple. Hold on, killer. That one's loose too. What the hold the handlebar.
You would not be able to stop an upcoming crash if that would happen.
Don't pull. You did not seriously just.
Uh-huh. Yes. Aren't ya?
Why is...
What?
Never mind.
Okay, grammage.
Alright, good. What I need...
What's that?
The throttle cable.
Rotten.
Oh, I ate pizza last night.
You only ate it last night?
So a little update. We got the new protapers on, grips, our new bar end mirrors. And we got our Chimera intake in. Got the rest of the plastics off. Sitting in our makeshift paint booth at the moment. Got our base coat down. And now we're getting ready to put down the color. So far, everything's coming out really great. We're real happy with it. Stay tuned. I think it's a 17. Give me one of the red rags out of that cabinet over there.
Good.
When we were there.
Yep.
But you say so myself. Give me the 3/8 impact. There we go.
Cog.
Wow.
Okay.
There she be.
Yeah.
Da, 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 da. What is it, just fly? Ain't no freaking horse flies here. Get out of here.
Firefly. Hey, from you.
You could. I'm not going to deny it. I mean, it's... You would too, you little shit.
I've only ever
Never.
spoke the truth.
Bull a shitta.
No.
Yeah, the paint turned out pretty nice. Son wanted a unique kind of theme, so we did what we could with what we had. Turned out pretty good though, I'm not gonna lie. Kinda like it. Turned out pretty good, I think. something a little different out of the norm. Yeah, you'll have that.
The garage door. The garage door. I will literally cover these.
This is the only thing that sucks about these. I start up with the new cam and ECU. Ooh. All right. Let me get. Damn it. There we go.
Okay, just now.
Alright, this is going to be fun. Be smacking it with a wrench.
Yeah, I don't like it.
Logan.
Yeah, I just need to do it.
Yeah, go ahead and start the bottom ones.
Already did.
Wrong way.
This one started to start. That am good.
Yeah, keep telling yourself. I'm glad that worked out.
Indeed.
Sure. Don't jinx the whole thing. Here, I had a tough time getting the other.
And silver matches. I get the pliers. Nice piece. Oh, nice. But
No, go ahead and tighten those up.
yeah. Oh,
No.
there's fish.
So paint's all done. We installed the decals we made. I think they came out kind of nice. Little tip of the hat. Yeah, all in all, I think it came out pretty damn good. My son picked out an excellent color for this thing for sure. Love that red.